Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to the CAD-CAM library. Today we will discuss about the extruded cut command, how to use the extruded cut command. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So now let's start. Now to explain about the extruded cut command, first of all I draw a sketch. Now adjust the dimension in millimeter, go to the front plane, select the sketch, front plane and select the line command and start my sketch from here. I'll draw an easy sketch so that I'll explain it easily. Okay, now I'll select the circle command and draw a circle here. Now I'll select the center line and draw a center line here. Now select the trim entities and trim that half of that circle. Now select the line command again and make the sketch close. After that, go to the feature and click here extruded boss base and extrude it up to 50. Let's make it up to 60. Click OK. Now I'll select that face, go to the sketch and normalize it. Let's say I'll adjust it in that position. Now I select the rectangle, corner rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Click OK, go to the feature and here is the option of extruded cut. Click here. Now you can see here are some options: blind, through all, both, up to next, up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to the body, mid plane. We can use any one of these commands. First of all, if I select the blind, you can see it will blindly extrude the cut up to that value. If I select 120, it will blindly extrude the cut up to 120. If I click OK, now you can see the cut is extruded up to 120 mm. Now again go to the edit feature. Now the next option is through all. If I select through all, you can see it will make a cut through all at the end of the body, up to the end of the body. You can see. If I click OK, now you can see the cut is created up to that body, not in the second body. Go to the feature again and here you can see we have select only one body. So we have, if I select all bodies and click OK, now you can see cut is created in both bodies. Now again go to the edit feature. Now if I select the selected bodies and if I select only that body, not the first body, only that second body and click OK, you can see the cut is created only in the second body and no cut is produced in first body. Again go to the edit feature. Now the next option is through all. If I select through all, both, then the cut will create through all on both sides. You can see in both sides the vertex is going in both directions. And now the next option is up to next. If I click up to next, you can see, click OK. Now you can see the cut is created up to the first next body, first next surface. You can see the first next surface, after that back surface, after that surface the first next surface was that surface, and the cut is created up to that surface. Now again go to the edit feature. Now the next option is up to vertex. If I click up to vertex, and the cut will create up to the vertex, and we can also adjust it from that. Click here, we can click up to that edge. To that edge we want to create the cut. If I click it up to that edge, click OK. Now you can see the cut is created up to only that edge. Edit feature, and now the next option is up to the surface. Now here we have to select the surface, to which surface we want to extrude it. So now if I select that surface, click OK. Now you can see the cut is created up to that surface, not in that surface, only up to that surface. Again go to the feature. Now the next option is offset from the surface. Click here. Now here we have to select the surface from which we want to offset it, and we also have to give the reading. To that reading we want to offset it. Now if I select that surface and we want to make it offset up to 4 mm, let's say, or 3 mm. Now click OK. Now you can see the cut is created offset from that surface, only 3 mm offset from that surface. You can see the cut is behind 3 mm to that surface. Now again go to the edit feature. Now if I select up to body, then I have select the body to which up to that body we want to extrude that cut. So the next option is mid plane. If I select the mid plane, then it will make cut, it will extrude the cut in both side of that sketch. You can see it will extrude the cut in both of the directions. So one, click here, OK. You can see 1 mm cut is extruded. Now go to the edit appearance and assign any of these colors to our selected body. Let's say I'll adjust that color, click OK. Now you can see. I hope that you will like my video. Please subscribe the channel and share that video as well.